Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Hand of Doom on bass. First, ensure your bass is tuned to standard E-A-D-G. The iconic main riff primarily utilizes the open E string and the 7th fret on the A string. Focus on a powerful, driving rhythm, hitting each note with conviction. This foundational riff sets the heavy tone for the entire song, so practice it until it feels natural and solid. Pay attention to the timing and sustain. Moving into the verse, you'll introduce some variations, often incorporating notes on the D and G strings to add melodic depth. It's crucial to maintain that consistent, heavy feel established in the main riff. As you approach the pre-chorus, the bass line subtly shifts, building tension with a slightly faster rhythm and more active movement. This section prepares the listener for the powerful chorus, so make sure your transitions are smooth and impactful. For the chorus, the bass line often simplifies, focusing on powerful, sustained root notes that reinforce the main vocal melody. This provides a solid, unwavering foundation. The bridge, however, introduces a dynamic shift, often featuring more intricate patterns and a slightly different feel. Pay close attention to the articulation and precise timing here, as it adds a layer of complexity. This section provides a brief departure before returning to the main themes. Achieving the right tone is essential for Hand of Doom. Consider using a pick for a more aggressive and defined attack, characteristic of the song's sound. Experiment with rolling off some treble on your amplifier to achieve that thick, heavy bass tone. Finally, consistent practice is key. Start slowly with a metronome, gradually increasing your speed. Focus on accuracy and endurance to master this iconic bass line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.